It's lunchtime, my dude.
Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple chocolate ganache. It's perfect for dipping, using as a glaze, or using as a drip effect on the side of cakes. It's super simple, it's delicious, it's only 3 ingredients. As always, the recipe is in the description box below. Let's get started. So to make the chocolate ganache, you just want to bring the milk to a simmer. So once you start to see the milk simmering, and you see little bubbles popping up inside of the pan, you can turn the heat off and start adding the milk to the chocolate. Alright, so now we're just going to add the cream. I'm just going to stir it up. Stirring in this sort of back and forth motion in the middle of the chocolate is really important for emulsifying the chocolate and the milk together to make the perfect ganache. Just taking a rubber spatula to scrape down the sides. Make sure everything's mixed in. As you can see, we have a perfect, velvety, smooth, glossy chocolate ganache.